I love the world, all the world, all countries and all religions. I look the people, the character, and not the religion and the country. All people, all world are brothers and sisters. For me, yes. For me. I have this thinking, you know. I know God loves all, and it's only one God for all the world and for all the people. God loves all the people, all the world. Okay, I wish you a wonderful week, and it's so nice to have you all in my friends. I love you all.